Welcome to another video. I'm going to be showing you a tip to get past level 3 in OnePlus keyboard escape obby. And if you got if you don't have the launcher speed, if you can make it past like this and stay through, cappuccino, and you can get here. And if you only have like 5 speed, you can just come right here and walk up. I mean, just walk right here on the side in the bottom, not here, and then you can easily make it past. And that is a tip to get past level 3 and OnePlus speed keyboard object escape. See you in the next one. Peace.